Hello and welcome back to the channel of Gemini Jets 737. It has been 2 years almost since I have posted a video. I just would like to apologize and explain that I lost my channel once again, and I officially have it back for sure, and it'll never go away again. And it is because I couldn't figure out how to transfer the brand account to a new email. Because the other email got banned from YouTube for, I don't even know what. I didn't post, but got this channel back, and I will upload soon again on regular weeks, probably mostly tutorial videos, but we'll have some airport updates and a trip report coming soon. So just so like to say I'm back officially. I won't leave again. I'm so sorry, fans, but we're back. So this is just a short video to say, hey, we're back, bitches. All right, peace out.